If you've tried manifesting but nothing sticks, don't give up. Try the 3, 6, and 9 technique method. It's simple, powerful, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe." The 3, 6, and 9 technique method blends Tesla's wisdom with the law of attraction to help you create the life you desire. Here's how it works. Pick one clear affirmation, like "I am worthy of love" or "I am financially free." Write it 3 times at sunrise to set your intention. Write it 6 times in the afternoon, adding energy. And before bed, write it 9 times to seal it into your subconscious. Repetition focuses your energy and programs your mind to attract what you want. Feel every word as you write. Do this for 21 to 30 days and visualize your dream already coming true. You're always manifesting something. Why not make it what you truly want? Like, comment with your affirmation and share if you believe in the power of intention.